morning, guys. As you can see, something I haven't done for a while. I got up at a stupid o'clock this morning, which was 3:30 a.m. Cycled out here to Bull Island for sunrise, testing out my new lens, 35mm. So let's see what type of shots we can get. I'm mainly going to be shooting black and white, even though it's sunrise, just because I prefer black and white, but I will take a few colour shots this morning. So let me switch this over. Okay, just get it in focus. Okay, as you heard, okay, that's actually really nice. I was going to say it's quite slow. I'm currently shooting at an f8. I'm going to open the aperture up a little bit, see if I can get a faster shutter speed. Yeah, much better. Way better colour. So that is currently at f4. We try to get more of the peninsula in here. Just focusing a bit. Little bird in the shot, just wait for him to fly out. Again, some beautiful colours. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. Might go out of focus, bring it up. But a couple of nice ones already, so I'm happy with that. I haven't gotten around to get an IR filter yet for this, so taking colour shots could prove problematic when I go to Gran Canaria. And I've just realised I'm in a silhouette because I've got the background brightness. So I could do one of those sexy James Bond intros with the silhouette dancing around. Probably not, but I'm going to switch the camera around now and get some nice sunlight on my face. Not that you want to see that, but I'm going to do it anyway. Birds going across here. Excellent. Okay, well, I'm going to turn the camera around so you don't have to see my ugly mug. It's too early in the morning anyway. You probably didn't even have a coffee. So enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to add some more shots from drone footage and give you an idea what this new lens can do.